Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumarak Luna here for a quick uncarding tayo guys. So meron tayong nakuha galing kay Tito Okix Garage, shout out, part of the BBC team ng Team Brocha. Thank you so much Francis. Nakuha ko rin ng Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk Tuned Edition. Tara, let's go. Ito na siya guys. Ayan, makikita nyo. Upper right, number 26. Collection number 26 out of 250. From the Hot Wheels Japan Imports Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR LB Liberty Walk LBWK. Yan. So medyo nandito lang tayo sa Starbucks guys. Tamang chill. So buksan natin. Maganda naman yung card. Tapos ang kanyang yung kanyang toy number dito sa taas. Ayan, makikita nyo details. So release to 2005 guys, last year pa. Tara, galing natin. Tamang weekend uncarding tayo para mas ma-appreciate natin yung collection na Hot Wheels. So ito siya guys. Ito natin ng konti. Yan. So metal diecast para sa body. Ayan. Nakikita nyo. Paganda. Sulit. Metal flake blue ang base body niya. Kung makikita nyo, solid na ganda. Tuned version to guys ng Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR with the Hot Wheels logo on the left and right. Hot Wheels Liberty Walk logo. Ayan. Liberty Walk logo ng and Hot Wheels on both left and right side ng body. Tapos meron ding gold and white stripes. Sulit. Paangas. Rubber tires. Plastic ang rim. Rolling ang wheels naman, in fairness. Plastic ang kanyang under chassis. Makikita nyo. Okay. Maganda yung grills. Wala akong masasabi dun sa grills. Sulit na sulit. Ang angas. Tapos yung headlights niya semi-painted lang siya guys. Then sa taillights, yan, metal silver din siya. Metal flake blue. Then lahat ng salamin is smoke tint from rear and front window, pati yung sa sides smoke tint siya. Then 2-seaters, yan, makikita nyo, walang steering wheel. So ayan guys. So made in Malaysia to. Yes, made in Malaysia. So yun guys, quick unboxing lang or uncarding ng ating Hot Wheels Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR LB Walk or Liberty Walk Tuned Edition na Metal Flake 2. Yes. So, check out ninyo ang Tito Okix Garage for more hot wheels. Yun lang guys. Thank you and please do like and follow my page Sumarock Luna on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more unboxing and toy review guys. Sumarock Luna out. Happy weekend. Bye-bye.